Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech guy, MKBHD here, and we're diving deep into the iPhone 16 Pro Max camera. This thing is a beast, no doubt. Apple keeps raising the bar, packing serious tech into these phones. Forget clunky DSLRs, this is your pocket powerhouse for killer shots. We're talking next-level sensors, crazy processing power, and software that does the heavy lifting. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this phone can take your photography to the next level. No more excuses for blurry pics or bad lighting. The iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just a phone, it's a studio in your pocket. But like any tool, you gotta know how to use it right. So let's break down some common mistakes and unlock the full potential of this camera beast. Get ready to capture some stunning shots. Alright, let's clear the air. Using the default settings is like ordering a plain burger. It's fine, but you're missing out on the flavor. First up, ditch the digital zoom. It's tempting, but all you're doing is cropping in and sacrificing image quality. Get closer to your subject or use that telephoto lens. Next, don't fear the grid. Turn on those grid lines in your camera settings. They're your secret weapon for balanced composition, keeping those horizons straight and subjects aligned. No more wonky pictures, people. And for the love of good photos, clean your lens. Seriously, those smudges and fingerprints are killing your clarity. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth makes a world of difference. Trust me, your photos will thank you. Now let's unlock the real magic. Your iPhone is packed with features, but are you using them? First up, exposure control. See that little sun icon? Slide it up or down to brighten or darken your shot. No more blown out skies or shadowy subjects. Next level, focus and exposure lock. Press and hold on your subject to lock it in. This is huge for tricky lighting or moving subjects. No more blurry shots, just crisp, clear focus. And don't forget about those shooting modes. Portrait mode, instant pro-looking portraits with that blurred background bokeh. Night mode, captures stunning detail even in low light. Experiment and find what works for you. Section 4, level up your shots, night mode, portrait mode, and lighting hacks. Let's get specific. Night mode on the iPhone 16. Pro Max is insane. It uses AI magic to brighten up dark scenes, bringing out detail you never thought possible. Pro tip, use a tripod, or rest your phone on something stable for super sharp results. Portrait mode is your go-to for professional-looking portraits. It blurs the background, making your subject pop. Experiment with the different lighting effects for even more creative control. And remember, lighting is key. The golden hours right after sunrise and before sunset offer that warm, magical light. But don't be afraid to shoot in different conditions. Overcast days give you soft, diffused light, perfect for portraits. Section 5, before and after. Witness the iPhone photo transformation. Seeing is believing, right? Let's look at some before and after shots. Check out this photo taken in low light. The before is dark and grainy. But with night mode, boom! Details pop, colors come alive, it's like magic. Now let's try a portrait. The before is okay, but the background is distracting. Engage portrait mode and bam, subject is sharp, background is blurred, instant pro look. These are just a few examples. With a little practice and the right techniques, you'll be amazed at what your iPhone 16 Pro Max camera can do. Section 6, Pro results, no pro gear. Elevate your photography game. So, there you have it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max camera is a beast, but it's up to you to unleash its power. Ditch those bad habits, master the features, and watch your photography soar. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you. And with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you've got a pro-level setup right in your pocket. No more excuses, get out there and capture some amazing shots. For more photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to check out my full iPhone 16 Pro Max review for the complete breakdown. Peace out.